Such a simple dish, but such depth of flavor with this chicken dish because you leave the bone and the skin on while it's baking. And I like the skin crispy, so that's what we have here. Just refrigerated biscuits, but you take them to another level. Melt a little real butter, put some garlic powder, sprinkle with salt and parsley. Go around the horn a couple times. They'll taste more like those Cheddar Bay biscuits, but without the cheese in them. What a difference. You can use that same mixture just on any kind of bread that you make or heat up in the oven. Delicious. It may seem like an odd combination, let me tell you, with an orange and a lemon. I started to make Greek chicken, but changed it up. You can always use this sauce and turn it into a good gravy. The recipe card is below.